Racing just is started. Bland Ambition break quickly at the start. Kampay down on the inside. Forest Marshall Asikuda. Then next on line is Mount Panama. Lord of the Sun Bibabola, while GI Speedball is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Forest Marshall, Bland Ambition in the middle. Kampay is on the outside third, and 6 lengths further back in fourth comes Mount Panama. Lord of the Sun, Asikuda, GI Speedball, while Biba Bola now racing in last 400 meters of the race. 3 runners still fighting out for the lead. Forest Marshall, Bland Ambition in the middle. Kampay is on the outside as they swing for home. Bland Ambition by the head. Forest Marshall is down on the inside. Kampay is on the outside third. Last 100 meters. Bland Ambition. Kampay is on the outside. Forest Marshall is down on the inside. And finally, it's a close finish. Forest Marshall, Bland Ambition, Kampay. Then comes Mount Panama when Bibabola.